Apple has been holding its most popular desktop hardware hostage inside its own vault, and the reasons leaking out of Cupertino are absolute madness. Right now, a perfect storm of global supply chain drama, massive semiconductor price hikes, and a completely unexpected AI revolution has broken Apple's traditional release cycles, forcing the tech giant to completely reshape the upcoming M5 Mac Mini. If you have been planning to buy a new desktop, hold your breath and do not click buy just yet. The machine waiting in the wings is about to change everything you know about compact computing, but it is also coming with a catch that most tech channels are completely ignoring. Let us look at the brutal reality behind the delays first. Many expected Apple to drop the next-generation desktop earlier this year, but internal roadmaps have officially shifted the launch window to late autumn. Industry insiders and shipping data confirm that the M5 Mac Mini is fully developed, but Apple faces a crisis known in manufacturing circles as Ramageddon. Because corporate demand for artificial intelligence hardware has exploded globally, the raw components for high-speed memory and NAND storage have triggered a massive worldwide shortage. Component prices have skyrocketed, and because Apple's unified memory architecture requires soldering these ultra-premium chips directly onto the silicon board, they simply could not secure enough supply to launch globally without bleeding margins. Furthermore, TSMC, the exclusive chip foundry producing Apple Silicon, has instituted severe pricing premiums on their cutting-edge nodes. Apple is prioritizing their highest margin devices like the MacBook Pro series to soak up the available inventory before deploying the M5 architecture to their entry-level desktop system. But what exactly is Apple building while they wait? Out this supply crunch? The answer lies inside the radically re-engineered M5 brain. While Apple is sticking with the ultra-compact 5x5-inch footprint introduced recently, the internal layout is a total departure from the M4 generation. The base M5 chip will retain a highly optimized architecture, but early hardware benchmarks leaking from testing environments reveal a striking performance leap. Single-core processing speeds are climbing by over 20%, while multi-core performance metrics are showing a massive 15 to 20% jump. To put that into perspective, the base M5 chip is generating raw processing numbers that closely rival the high-end M1 Ultra chip from previous generations. The real transformation, however, is not the raw computing speed. It is the graphics engine and a brand new architectural addition called the Neural Accelerator. Apple has completely redesigned the GPU cores for the M5 family, embedding dedicated machine learning hardware directly into the graphical compute units. This structural change yields a jaw-dropping 4x increase in local, on-device AI computing capability. Instead of relying on cloud data centers or pushing the entire workload to the standard neural engine, the M5 Mac Mini can process massive local LLMs, real-time image generation, and complex voice synthesis completely offline, rendering results almost instantaneously. For professional users, the story gets even better with the M5 Pro variant. The premium M5 Pro Silicon configuration is expected to scale up to a massive 18-core CPU and a blistering 20-core GPU layout. The leaked benchmarks for the M5 Pro are staggering, posting multi-core scores that easily surpass the flagship M4 Max chip. This creates an incredibly powerful proposition for video editors, 3D artists, and software developers. In workflows like DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro, the enhanced media engine combined with the architectural updates means exporting complex 4K and 8K timelines will be significantly faster, saving creative professionals hours of rendering time every single week. This massive jump in capability brings us to an incredible piece of news regarding configurations. Apple is finally killing off the ancient, highly criticized 256GB base storage option. Because modern applications, local AI models, and high-resolution video files consume storage at an unprecedented rate, the incoming baseline M5 Mac Mini will officially ship with a much healthier 512GB solid-state drive right out of the box. Memory configurations will also start at a mandatory 16GB of unified memory for the standard M5 model, while the M5 Pro version will push the starting baseline up to 24GB, allowing for extreme multitasking and heavy professional workloads without encountering a single bottleneck. On the connectivity front, the upgrades are equally future-proof. The M5 Pro model will natively integrate Thunderbolt 5 ports, unlocking hyper-fast data transfer speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second. This allows power users to connect multiple high refresh rate external displays and high-speed external RAID arrays simultaneously without saturating the system's bandwidth. Across the entire line, we are also expecting the integration of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 architectures, guaranteeing maximum wireless stability and the lowest possible latency for peripheral setups. Around the back, the configuration remains perfectly practical, offering a robust collection of 3 rear Thunderbolt ports, a dedicated HDMI port, an Ethernet jack, and the highly convenient dual USB-C ports right on the front face for seamless daily access. However, all of this premium hardware and increased baseline storage mean that the days of the hyper-budget Mac Mini are officially coming to an end. Because component acquisition prices have risen due to the global RAM and NAND shortages, Apple is restructuring the entry tier. Industry projections strongly indicate that the entry price will shift upward, likely landing at a starting point between $799 and $899 for the base model. While a price hike is never ideal, the fact that you no longer have to pay the notorious Apple tax to upgrade from a useless 256GB drive means the value proposition remains incredibly strong, making the M5 generation a highly resilient, future-proof desktop investment. If you currently own an older Intel-based Mac, an M1, or even a base M2 system, the upcoming M5 Mac Mini represents the ultimate technological leap you have been waiting for, providing desktop-class power that runs completely silent while consuming a fraction of the electricity required by a traditional custom PC tower. The sheer efficiency and local AI processing power crammed into this tiny metallic chassis will set a brand new standard for desktop computing. Consider the long-term environmental benefits as well, as Apple is utilizing 90% recycled aluminum for the external casing, aligning with their ambitious carbon neutrality goals for 2030. This device is not just a tool for your workspace. It is a statement about where the future of high-performance computing is heading. The transition to this level of power density is unprecedented, and you are positioned to be among the first to witness it. That is the definitive breakdown of Apple's next desktop powerhouse. If this deep dive brought you value, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Vibe for the absolute fastest updates in the tech world. And drop a comment below letting us know if you are waiting for the M5 or buying a current machine. Turn on those notifications so you never miss a beat, and we will see you in the very next video.